Hi! Good evening sa lahat. It's Learn Tagalog, and on this video, let's learn another 5 Tagalog phrases. First one, may pag-asa pa. May pag-asa pa. May pag-asa pa. Second one, nagkataon lang. Nagkataon lang. Nagkataon lang. Nagkataon lang. Third one, gusto ko lang makasama ka. 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 I just wanna be with you. At pang-apat, fourth one, may dahilan ng lahat. May dahilan ng lahat. May dahilan ang lahat. Lahat. May dahilan ng lahat. There's a reason for everything. At last one, sumpaman. Sumpaman. I swear. Sumpaman. 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 I swear. Sumpaman. Be careful how you say the word, because if you pronounce the word sumpa, sumpa, sumpa means sumpaman. Sumpaman. Ayan lang para ngayong gabi. Let's learn more Tagalog phrases on the next video. At also, plano ko na i-redo yung some of the first Tagalog videos. So, I'm also going to start on that. At, okay. Ayan lang. Hanggang sa muli. Bye!